In this video, I'm going to talk about this tall fireplace transformation, as well as few things that has been done in this living room to function better. This is a small living room with a very high ceiling. I was after a cleaner look, and I wanted to be dramatic enough to draw people's attention. I used two different tiles for the finishes, one with the 3D effect to create shadow and light, and the other side we chose very smooth tile that looks like concrete. All the way where the fireplace meets the ceiling, we had two different ceiling heights. To me, it wasn't very pleasing to the eye, so we built the ceiling and made it look like it's part of the wall. The TV unit has been designed to hold books and all the decorative pieces that my client specifically wanted them in this area of the house. The glass panel and the light is giving this unit such an elegant look. There were two posts here at this corner, and to have a better furniture layout, I decided to build a half wall between them. So it covers the back of the couch and separate this area in a very nice way from the entry. This furniture is what my client had already, so we just added few cushions to continue the color theme throughout the house. Across the living room, we had a glass panel with custom design on it, which separates the living room and a family room, and we had the light right on top to showcase the glass. The new custom carpet is almost covering the whole area. When you walk in from the entry, after you pass the entry, the fireplace is the first thing you see. Speaking of the entry, my client didn't want to change anything in an entry. I suggested to at least change the color of the front door and the railing to match the rest of the color theme of the house. We sanded the top and bottom rail and stained them dark brown. We added a chandelier and changed the wall sconces. Sometimes such small changes can make such a big impact. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I see you in my next video.